You might have heard of some notion about male versus female peppers. Are you wondering if it is true or just a myth? Well, let's discuss some interesting facts about that. Male versus female peppers theories. There have been a lot of different theories on how to differentiate especially male bell peppers from the female bell peppers. Here are some stories you might have heard. Bumps counting to determine sex. There are some statements to differentiate between female and male bell peppers. The idea is when you count the male bell pepper, it should have 3 bumps while the female has 4 bumps. Raw and cooking. Some even suggest when choosing pepper for raw food like salad, you should go for the female ones. The reason being they are sweeter than the males. And if you want to cook, you should go for the male pepper with the 3 bumps. Seeds. There is also the argument that the male bell peppers with the 3 lobes have lesser seeds than the female. These stories might sound quite interesting, but sorry to burst your bubbles. These are absolutely false. They are not based on scientific facts or explanations. Facts about peppers. Green, red, yellow, orange peppers are all excellent healthy fruits rich in vitamins and minerals. Peppers grow in different shapes, colors, and flavors, and they are easy to grow. The fact is that all peppers are fruits, and they are produced from ripe ovaries. These ovaries carry seeds that are formed right after pollination. We will break things down in the next slide to make it clear for you. Gender. Just like the flowers on some other plants, the flowers are responsible for pollination. The flowers on pepper have both the male and female reproductive organs, making them capable of self-pollination. So bell pepper's fruit have no gender. Lobes. The different lobes, which some people call bumps, are formed differently according to their growth rate and genetics. It has nothing to do with male or female pepper. There are various peppers that range from 2 to 5 lobes. So if you come across 3 or 4 lobes, it's because they are bigger. Sweetness or flavor is not decided by the number of lobes or bumps. Sweetness can be determined by the degree of ripeness, just like any other fruit. Therefore, the red bell peppers are sweeter than the green bell pepper. Conditions such as soil type, climate condition, the time it was picked, etc. can determine the taste. Seeds. The 4 lobes pepper may contain more seeds because there is more cavity space for seeds to grow. However, this may not be the case for all 4 lobes peppers. But if you are looking to get bell pepper with more seeds, you probably should go for the one with more lobes. Final say. With that said, the next time you hear or see a statement about male versus female peppers, you should determine the truth. The fact is no fruit has male or female fruit. So stay enlightened. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.